Hi, in this video, Ask F5 shows you how to search the F5 bug tracker and use filters to make it easier to find the bug articles that you are looking for. F5 Bug Tracker is a system used to report and manage software bugs related to F5 products. It helps developers track issues and ensure that they are resolved efficiently. Bug tracker articles denote products and versions involved, severity, symptoms, impact, conditions for the issues, as well as workaround, fix information, and any related references regarding each bug. You can access Bug Tracker from the Resources menu on My F5. To locate F5 Bug Tracker articles, you can use the search text box. For example, if you already know the bug ID you're looking for, you can enter it. When you enter text, to find only matches for the search query, you can enclose the words in quotation marks. Search is not case sensitive, so all letters are processed as lowercase no matter how you enter them. The exception to this are Boolean operators, which you must enter in uppercase. For any item listed in the results, you can select the Quick View icon to preview an article without opening it. If you don't have a text query, you can locate your article by selecting the correct product from the product family filter. In each of the filter boxes where available, you can select the expand icon to reveal subfilters which you can select individually. After you select the product family, additional filters appear including version, product module, severity, vulnerability, and bug state. If you need more information about the severity and vulnerability filters, select the question mark icon. Additionally, the filters you select appear at the top of the page with an X next to the filtered criteria. You can select the X next to an item to clear an individual filter, or select Clear All Filters to set your view back to the default. You can also select the More icon to change the sort order of the filters. Finally, note that you can select the More icon on the Bug Tracker page to access more preferences and actions such as export and share. That's it. If you have other questions you'd like to see answered on this channel, send us an email. Thanks for watching.